Welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Electrical. Today we have learned about the very important topic, that is modeling of transformer and Y-bus formation. So in this case I have taken the two bus, that is bus I and this is bus J. So bus I is connected with the transformer. Okay, bus I is connected with the transformer and its transformer ratio, that is 1:A. Okay, so this is connected with the bus J. Okay, and it is the admittance YK, and at the center there is bus. We have to suppose that the bus is I dash. Okay, so here you can see that at the bus I the voltage is VI and at the bus J voltage is VJ. Okay, so at the bus I the current is flowing from I to J, so you can write I J, and the power is complex power SIJ. Similar way, in the bus J the current is flowing from J to I, so current is JI and power is SJI. Okay, and here you can see that there is the bus I dash, so bus I dash means current here voltage is VI dash. Okay, and current is flowing from this, that is I dash into J. So here current flowing is, that is I dash to J, means current is I dash J. Okay, another one is that, so you can see that the figure, then you can easily understand. Okay, so here you can see that here the voltage is VI and here is the voltage is VI dash, so you can write like this, VI upon VI dash, that is equal to ratio, that is 1:A. So you can write like this, 1/A. So here VI dash is equal to A into VI. Okay, so you can take the conjugate, then what is that? VI conjugate is equal to A VI conjugate. Okay, another is that, what is the value of I dash J? Okay, so in that case you can see that that is the what is the value of this. Okay, so this value is that, you can see that that is value of this one, you can calculate I dash J. So voltage difference between VI dash and VJ, so you can write like this, VI dash minus VJ into YK. So what is the value of VI dash? So you can write like this, VI dash value, you know that, what is that? AVI. Okay, that is AVI. So you can write like this, AVI minus VJ into YK, that is the value of I dash J. Okay, next is that, what is that? S is equal to VI conjugate, that is the basic one, you have to know that. So S conjugate is equal to VI conjugate to the power conjugate, then S is equal to V conjugate into I. Okay, so the matrix, you can take the matrix form, that is, what is that, and calculate the all the value. Okay, so here IJ and IJI, that is the value of current. So ij, that is basically yi, yij. There are two buses is that I and j, so you can write like this, and yji and yjj. Okay, and the voltage is bus I. For the voltage bus I, the voltage is vi, and the bus j, the voltage is vj. Okay, so now the value of Sij conjugate, what is the value of that? Okay, so you can write like this, that is vi conjugate into Ij. Okay, because here you can see that is this is the S conjugate. Okay, so here you can see that S conjugate is equal to vi conjugate into I. So here Sij conjugate is equal to vi conjugate into Iij. So you can write like this, that is vi conjugate. Okay, and what is the value of Ij? What is that? You can simply multiply, that is y, that is the value of, that is you can see that is yi multiply with the vi, and yij multiply with the vj. Okay, and addition with them. So you can write like this, yii vi plus yij vj. Okay, multiply them, then what is the value is that? So we have to multiply it, that is the value is vi square. Why we have to return the vi square? Because we have to know that is what is the value of vi conjugate. So simply we have to taken that the value of this. Okay, so we have to write in like this, vi square. You can understand better way. Okay, wait, yeah, that is vi square into yii plus vi conjugate multiply with the vj into yij. Okay, so that is the equation number 1. Okay, understand it? So next is that Sji conjugate. Okay, so that is written as vj conjugate and iji. Okay, so you can write like this, that is vj conjugate multiply with what is that, multiply with the yji into vi plus yjj into vj. Okay, multiply with them, then you can see that what is vj square yjj plus vi and vj conjugate multiply with the yji. That is the equation number 2. Okay, next is that, what is that? Si, next equation you can take, next equation is Si dash j conjugate. Okay, so you can write like this, that is vi dash conjugate I dash j, and is equal to, what is the value of that? So simply in the previous we have to see that what is the value of vi conjugate. Here you can see that what is the value of vi conjugate. Okay, so here that is you have to return is value of vi dash conjugate is a vi conjugate. Okay, and we have already calculated the value of I dash j, that is a vi minus vj into yk. Okay, so multiply with them, then what is the value? A conjugate into vi square yk minus a conjugate yk vj into vi conjugate. So that is the equation number 3. Okay, next is that what is the parameter? So next is sji conjugate. What is the value? So simply vj, simply you can written like this, that is vj conjugate into I ji. Okay, so here what is the value? That is vj conjugate multiply with the iji value. What is the value of iji? That is vj minus a vi into yk. Okay, so multiply then vj square yk minus a vi vj conjugate into yk. That is the equation number 4. Okay, so it is ideal transformer. Okay, ideal transformer. So comparing equation 1 and comparing equation 1 and 3. So by comparing equation 1 and 3, you can see that what is the value of equation 1. What is that? In the equation 1, that is vi square into yii. Okay, and equation 3, you can see that value of what is that? That is value of a conjugate vi square into yk. So that means yii is equal to a conjugate into yk. Okay, and the next term is that what is y, you can see that next term is that yij. Okay, that is vi conjugate into vj. Okay, so here what is the value is that yij is equal to minus a conjugate into yk. Okay, next is that, so 1 and 3 is compared. Next is comparing equation 2 and 4. Compare equation 2 and 4. Okay, then that is the value. Similar way you have to compute it, that is yjj is equal to yk and yij is equal to minus a yk. Okay, so the value is that, what is the value is that y partial, we have to calculate it. What is that? yii, yij, yji and yjj. So the value is that is equal to, you can write like this, that is a conjugate yk minus a conjugate yk. Next term, third term is that for the value of yji, that is minus a yk, and yjj, that is yk. So that is the value of y partial. So we get the asymmetric Y bus only in case of complex turns ratio or tap ratio. So this is the basic and that is the modeling of transformer and Y bus formation. So I hope that you have to learn the basics, and thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel Basic Electrical.